Delimitation of state assembly segments and Lok Sabha seats has changed the political dynamics of several constituencies. One such seat is the prestigious Nagaon Lok Sabha seat. It's a BJP stronghold which the Congress clinched in 2019. On the other side of the seat, with a glorious past, has new equations that the political parties are dealing with, making it a keenly contested poll battle. Ratndeep Chaudhary gets us this report.
Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma leading a massive poll rally in Nagaon, said to be a cradle of RSS initiatives and a BJP stronghold. Between 1999 and 2014, BJP's veteran and former Union Minister Rajen Gohai has won Nagaon when the Congress was strongest in Assam. But in 2019, Gohai was denied a ticket. In 2019, Congress heavyweight, former Minister Pradyut Bordoloi reached the seat from the BJP, but now he's up against the BJP and AIUDF in the phase 2 polls on April 26.
Two bipolar communal forces. On one hand, this is BJP who have been trying to persecute, they are trying to victimize the minority people, religious minority. And on the other hand, the UDF, AIUDF led by Badruddin Rajbhai, they are trying to mobilize and organize through their communal narrative.
The BJP has fielded a new face. Suresh Bora, a former Ulfa cadre turned businessman, who was for long with the Congress and recently switched over to the BJP. The Chief Minister is confident the BJP can win Nagaon back.
While two nominations in Nagaon and Dorong and Udalguri, the kind of response we are getting from people are unimaginable. There is complete Modi wave in Assam.
After last year's delimitation of Assembly and Lok Sabha seats in Assam, equations have changed. Assembly constituencies Baharampur, Jamnamukh, Hojai and Lamding are out of Nagaon this time. Assembly segments Samaguri, Rupohihat and Dhing have been added, and Nagaon and Batadrawa assembly segments have been combined.
The effect of the delimitation of Assam's assembly constituencies as well as Lok Sabha seats can be felt in areas like Nagaon, where new equations have turned up. In 2019 Lok Sabha elections, Hindu is to Muslim electorate ratio was 60:40. But after the delimitation, now watchers say there are 51% Muslim voters and 49% Hindus.
To complicate matters, the Maulana Badruddin Ajmal-led AIUDF has fielded its firebrand and often controversial MLA Aminul Islam, and this may erode Congress's minority vote bank.
Badruddin Bordolor kono pattai nahi, Congressero kono patta nahi. Gote Asamot Congress kot ase, nahi Congress. Delhi to nahi. Etia e karone UDF et number thakibo, UDF ek sikibo.
If there is a religious polarization now, the BJP might get electoral dividends. But the big question is, will the BJP be able to regain its traditional stronghold in this triangular fight? In Guwahati, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.